Hey curl friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am just going to get right into this video. I'm going to be reviewing / doing a demo of Urban Hydration's Honey line. So I'm going to be starting off with the Growth and Repair shampoo. My first impression of this shampoo is how good it smelled. I was like, wow, this smells so good. It has argan oil and sweet vanilla bean extract in it, which makes it smell amazing. It helps repair your hair, promote hair growth, prevent damage, and tame frizz. And y'all, I am living for it. It was so moisturizing to be a shampoo, and I just honestly loved it. This was my hair after rinsing it out, y'all, and my hair looked bomb. Like, my scalp felt so clean, and I honestly just love this shampoo. It'd probably be one of my favorites because it also was very good with detangling. So now I'm going in with the Growth and Repair Deep Conditioner, and this line does not have a normal conditioner. It just goes straight to the deep conditioner, which is fine with me because a lot of the times I don't even use conditioner. So yes, my first impressions of the conditioner is that it had amazing slip, like tons of slip. I know you all see how easy it is for me to run my fingers through my hair. I was just honestly wowed. I was like, yes, this is amazing. It also smelled very, very good. A lot of you all that have been on my channel for a while know that I like to section my hair off into 4 sections, do forward twist, and then wrap my hair into a plastic bag or a plastic cap. Today we're being cheap. We're going with that plastic bag. It's the same as a plastic cap, so why buy one? So I'm just going to leave this on my hair for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to apply heat, and then I will be back to rinse the deep conditioner out. Okay, you guys, so I just rinsed the deep conditioner out, and I don't know if you all can see it, but look at my hair. It's so shiny. Like, it looks very, very good. So now I'm going to be going in with the Growth and Repair Daily Moisturizer. All of these products promote growth and help repair damaged hair. Y'all, this smelled very good as well. And I forgot to tell you all what I was doing with my hair. I'm going to be doing a braid out because you all know when I try creams, I always like to do braid outs. So I'm first going in with this moisturizer, and it was very moisturizing. And it also gave my hair shine just as well as the deep conditioner. So I actually really liked it. So then I'm going to be going in with their cream, you guys, and this stuff smelled amazing. It was super creamy. It also promotes hair growth, like I said before, and y'all, I loved it. It was not too heavy. It just felt very light, but it also gave a really good hold. So I'm just going to take 3 strands of hair, and I'm going to start this braid out. If you all know me, you know that I love to put the little rollers on the end of my braid outs. That's just how I prefer to do it, just to get a more defined curl at the end, because sometimes when I sleep, it just sometimes gets frizzy. So, you know, we don't want any frizz. Want to make this braid out as defined as possible. Also, another thing I did with this braid out is made sure I braided the curl very, very tight. Sometimes I don't think I pay close enough attention to that, but this time I did, and y'all just gonna have to wait. So I'm just gonna finish this braid out, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm officially done, and I counted the braids, and I only did about 16 braids. Now it's the next morning. I'm taking the rollers off, and you all see how curly my ends are. That's how I always like them to be, and the braids just look so good. They were completely dry, and I took a whole day to dry them. Now it's time to take them down, and y'all, oh my god, look at that definition. Like, I literally almost fell out of my chair. I was like, wow, like, this is absolutely the best braid out I've ever had. Like, the definition is insane. It's so moisturized. It has amazing hold. Like, it just looks so good. It's just juicy. So basically, I'm going to finish taking these braids out, and then we're going to start to separate. But y'all, I just can't get over how defined. Like, I was literally so excited, like so excited. So now we're just going to go ahead and separate the curls. And you all know me, I like to separate so I get more volume, and it just looks a lot better. It's not as flat, and you get more curls basically. So it looks really, really, really good. And I know you all see my baby hair is looking crazy, so I went ahead and gelled those down. And then to get some more volume, I wanted to fluff. I always fluff, like, yes, that's just my thing. Just because you all know I love volume. I don't like flat hair. So then to get some more volume, I go in with my pick at my roots, And y'all, I really can't get over these results. Like, the definition is literally insane. Like, it looks so good. Like, I know you all see that. Like, it looks so good. Like, I just love it. Like, it's not exactly the same as my curl pattern, but it is really pretty curls, and I am just living for it. Like, I did that. I really did that. Urban Hydration, y'all did that. Like, this line is amazing, and I love how light the cream was, but also had that hold, because I really don't like heavy creams that weigh my hair down. And y'all, look at this. Like, the definition is insane. I love these products. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out Urban Hydration. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.